confidence in them failed to make them outspoken individuals. Once a British asked Swami Vivekananda, "Why don't you wear good clothes and look like a gentleman?" With a smile on face, Swami Vivekananda replied, "In your culture, tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, character makes a..." Of parents wake their children up early in the morning and send them to school by hoping to see them doctors, engineers, CSS officers, and so on. Their expectations put a lot of pressure on their children, and during the course of their education, children tend to forget the real purpose of education. They, however, manage to fulfill the dreams of their parents by becoming doctors and engineers, but have no time for their friends and relatives, and have no compassion for their neighbors and fellow human beings. Their sole purpose of life is to compete with rich people and enjoy the... Ladies and gentlemen, education system today has lost its objectives. It has become commercial. It has gone to the hands of funny people as they can impress general people by providing infrastructure and ambience. Such people should know that buildings are not made institutions. It's the teachers who make institutions. Let me take this opportunity to remind you that Mother Teresa did not have any classroom. She did not even have the blackboard. The only tool she had was love for children. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is not the person who graduates from a reputed university and hand over his parents to old age home when they meet their children to be their beck and call. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is not the person who lives lavish life and turns a blind eye to his neighbors with no concern if they are going to sleep empty stomach. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is not the person whose name is followed by the list of degrees but his uses abuses language and threatens people's stories and points. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is the need proper care. Ladies and gentlemen, educated is the person who loves his children and simultaneously concerned about his neighbors if they need any support. Educated is the person who never exhibits, the person who develops the habit of forgiving people despite knowing that they are wrong and guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any school where all these manners are inculcated? Is there any college where all these values are nurtured? Is there any university where the lessons of honesty and integrity are imparted? Schools, colleges, universities are not today for teaching science, maths, commerce, economics, history, computer. Ladies and gentlemen, this world doesn't need schools that produce doctors and junior chartered accountants, but fail to inculcate manners in them, fail to instill confidence in them, fail to nurture values in the individuals. I don't say it's the duty of the parents to focus on their children instead of dumping the responsibility on the shoulders of the teachers at school. It is the prime responsibility of the parents to raise their children in such an environment as they grow up learning all values from their lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why somebody rightly said that a child educated only at school is an uneducated child. I repeat, a child educated only at school is an uneducated child. I wrap up my speech with a wonderful quote of the master.